Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Tune Up Series 2 by Majorette, and so I already know the code for this one, so you can see it here. So this is BK33. So for Tune Up Series 2 you can find all the codes pretty much in Instagram, and there are some cars which I unboxed which are like rare or super rare. You can see it in my Majorette playlist. So this one is the Lamborghini Urus if I'm not wrong. So let's unbox and see if that is what really is inside. So let's start. Okay, this one really pisses me off every time. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so finally I got that one from the top. Okay, let's see what are the things inside first. Let's put this aside for a minute. Okay, so here is the body kit, and so here we have the sticker and the accessory, so nothing else. So here is a closer look of the sticker and body kit. And here is the accessory. Okay, let's get to the car now. Okay, that is Lamborghini Urus. So I hope you guys actually noted down that code here. Okay, so let's take the chip now. So this one is super rare, and this one is the Ice Crusher Lamborghini Urus. So we do have all the versions of Lamborghini Urus which was released by Majorette so far in India. You can see it here, most of them. And there is one more, I think the limited edition, which I'm yet to unbox, that I will do maybe in next couple of weeks. Okay, let's have a closer look on it. So the paint job looks okay. I mean, it doesn't have any issues. So the decals are like, it's not that great, but I hope it will look good when we put on the body kit and accessory. So I personally love Majorette for doing this one specific thing, so which is putting the headlights on some kind of fiber or plastic for the headlights instead of just painting it out like some other brands. Yeah, I'm mentioning Hot Wheels here. So on the logo placement is really nice. So the tail lights are actually painted, so that is fine. And you can open this doors here. So let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension, which I personally love about this Majorette castings. Maybe there are one or two castings like I think the Audi R8, which doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's put on the body kit and see how this one looks. Okay, and this goes, I think, like this if I'm not wrong. Let's see once. Yeah, this is correct. Yep. That's it. So this one is a super rare, not the ultra rare. I think the ultra rare ones has no, the rubber tire add-on here. So this looks really nice. Let's do a roll test now. Okay, that rolls really nice. There is no much wheel wobble and it has suspension, so it actually rolls really great. Okay, that rolls really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.